So this is our group member, Adina, Shifa, Najwa, Farah, and Aira. So our group name is Girls Drama Club. We have two topics to discuss: our problem and way to solve our problem.
This world is facing global warming. There's also heat stroke that already treated many lives. Increased daytime temperature, reduced nighttime cooling, and higher air pollution level associated with heat event can affect human health. Extreme heat event can trigger a variety of heat stress conditions, such as heat stroke. How having an air cooler gonna help us? Air cooler can lower the surrounding temperature in area, which can help you prevent excessive sweating and heat stroke. But aside from that, air cooler also offer a small amount of moisture with air produced, which is great if you live in hot and dry areas. This prevents your skin and eyes from drying out.
How to solve this problem? So our group been planning to build a fan that has many functions. We can use it as a lamp, as air cooler, and as air humidifier. The benefit that we can get by using this fan is: first, we can save our electricity. Second, we can get refreshing air. Third, we can solve dry skin, allergies, and respiratory problems. Lastly, we can help prevent influenza and reduce snoring. So, this is our product sketch. For the left side, we have a fan or blank. And then, inside, we put our ice or cooler glass. Because ice will become more cooler instead of water, that's why we chose ice. Also, a small menthol and LED light. After that, in front, we have an air mist to absorb the ice from the inside to release the air outside.
There are several materials that will be needed to produce this product, such as empty jar or box, 12V DC motor, blade, clip, wire, water pump, pipe, cooler glass or ice, switch, 12V DC connection, pipe, menthol, LED, 11 kHz ultrasonic humidified atomization ceramic, cotton wool roll, and lastly, 113 kHz ultrasonic mist maker 5V. The estimated price for the entire material is as much as 100 ringgit.